I heat a hot tub for free. Just a complete random tangent to what I usually do. But what I have is this. So here you can see I'm actually heating at 39 degrees on my hot tub. I've got a thermal cover, and all I ever do, I never actually heat my hot tub. All I have is the filtration going. So I never actually have to heat this up here. And the reason I don't have to heat my hot tub is actually because I'm using solar power to generate heat into my shed. So check this out. So yes, it does look like a crazy mess of wires, but I've got two solar charge controllers. All of this is connected to two voltage relays that also trigger off other relays, and these basically go over to a tank that I've got under here. It is a blue drum that is basically very well insulated, and at the moment that drum is sitting at 50.2 centigrade, and I have that connected so that when it is above 45 degrees it is being siphoned and pumped into the hot tub. And inside this there are basically two relays which are two heat elements which are controlled by these relays, and I have specific breakers here just to make sure that the wiring is protected. It's a little bit of a mess with the wiring, but that is basically heating this tank, and when we get to this optimum temperature it switches off. So I can also show you how this works, where I can go and set this, for example, so if I want to increase this to, let's say, 55, only above 55 it will start pumping. In this case, if I drop it back down to, let's say, 46, you can hear a little hum of water basically being pumped through. That is how I heat a hot tub for free. I've been doing it since April this year, and we'll see how far into the year I'm able to get it to continue to work for free. You may have some questions obviously about the solar panels that I've got, and I just have solar panels which are mounted on top of my shed and on the side.